Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 68. In this video tutorial, I am going to talk about how to disable health monitor or DB2 automatic computing daemon process, DB2 ACD process completely. This slide talks about the problem and the solution. The problem scenario is we want to disable the automatic computing daemon completely. So first, what is an automatic computing daemon process? So that it is actually DB2acd. If you look in the process list, the name will be DB2acd. It will be running under root user. It is responsible for three main functionalities. So one is health monitor, another one is the automatic maintenance, another is task scheduling. So the health monitor can be controlled using the dbm_cfg parameter health underscore mon off, like that you can say. It is the typical health monitor information can be configured, like for example a table space getting full, like almost nearing 90%, or the storage path file system is getting 90% full, so you can send some health alerts like that. So that is the health monitor functionality. And the next one is db_cfg level parameter auto maint. You can set it off or on. So it talks about the automatic maintenance of the database at a database level. So it is like you can run reorg, run stats, real-time statistics collection, database backup. All these things can be configured with some maintenance policies and other things, so that they automatically run. So they also use this automatic maintenance functionality. Will use this automatic computing daemon to implement that. Okay. And the third functionality is task scheduling. So if you are in AX system, you will be aware of the cron jobs, like which you can use for task scheduling to run certain specific task at a predetermined time, like that. So same functionality is available within DB2 itself. So you can use the registry variable db2_ats_enable. You can set it to yes or no. Based on that, you can enable the task scheduling feature as well. All these three major functionalities will use the db2acd, the automatic computing daemon process. So if I say I don't want all this health monitor or automatic maintenance or the task scheduling process, so I can use these db_cfg and all this parameters. I can set it off like that, right? So even then, the ACD process which is running in the background, like under the root user, will still run even if you individually disable the functionalities. Still the process will be running in the background. It is really not a big issue, okay, because it is not going to eat your CPU resources or memory resources like that. It will be just a simple process running in the background. Mostly if you disable all these functionalities, mostly it will be idle only. Any case, if you are a very strict AX admin or something like that, they sometimes these AX admin, they talk about if that process is not relevant, so why don't you find a way to disable it, right? So we can disable it not in a direct way, but in an indirect way. So the solution is to set another registry variable db2_fmp_com_heap size equal to 0. So what this is doing is actually you are disabling the fenced mode process. See, FMP, fenced mode processes. So you are disabling the instance and the database not to execute any fenced mode processes by setting this registry variable to 0. So what happens is, since the db2acd process itself is a fenced mode process, eventually it will not be able to start up. So all your health monitor, automatic maintenance, task scheduling, nothing will be possible because the FMP process itself is not allowed to start. That's why there is a limitation. So the limitation is all fenced mode process, like the UDF and stored procedures, will not run. Okay. So you are not disabling the ACD process individually, but you are disabling the all fenced mode processes, right? Since the ACD is itself a subset, like ACD is itself a fenced mode process, it will not run. That's the idea behind its solution. So definitely this is the limitation also. Okay. So before getting into the so as usual, I will be demonstrating this, what I mean by this, with examples. Please subscribe to my channel. The URL is youtube.com/db2lew academy, and my email ID is db2academy@gmail.com. Please pour in your inputs, comments, likes, everything in my YouTube page, channel page. or send me an email db2academy@gmail.com. Okay. So let us go to examples now. So here I have I am actually showing you DB2 set. So what are all the registry variables that are actually set? So you can see that none of the the ATS is not enabled, the task scheduling is not enabled, and the FMP registry variables also is not set. Okay, I start the instance. Okay, so let me just start the instance. So after that, let it start. So I'm going to show you get DBM CFG health monitor list database directory. So there will be two databases. One is test and another is BPM, and I'm showing you all the auto maintenance parameters. Okay, so the DB2 manager has started. You can see that the health monitor is off, right? So even though the health monitor is off, there are two databases, test and BPM. You can see for the test, all your automatic maintenance switches are all off. So you can see that here, right? So similarly, the same thing for the other database as well. So ATS is also not enabled, auto maintenance is also not enabled, health monitor is also not enabled. So all these three functionalities are not there, but still you will find that the ACD daemon is running in the background. So that's what I'm showing you here. See, this is the process DB2 ACD, right? So this daemon process will run, and okay, I was incorrect. It is running under DB2 inst1 instance owner only. Okay, it's not running under root. Okay, so it is running. This is the daemon process that I am talking about. Okay, so now what we need to do? Okay, we'll stop the instance. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this registry variable. Okay, and I'm also going to set ATS enable yes. See, even though when I say enable task scheduler, the FMP parameter, the registry variable, will take precedence, and it will not allow you to start the ACD process. So that's what I'm going to check now. Okay, so let us set all the registry variables, FMP, ATS enable, and I'm starting now here. And now run the DB2. So you can see that the DB2 ACD process is not there, right? So that's the whole point that we were discussing. Okay, but also care should be taken, right? You do not forget about the limitation. None of the FMP process fenced mode routines or fenced mode UDFs will be allowed. Okay, so I am just again reset. So if you do not want it, you can always reset in a simple way. Set the registry variable, stop and restart the server. That's all. Okay, hope this information was useful to you. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel DB2 LUW Academy, and I'm also available in LinkedIn group DB2 LUW Academy, and also email me at db2academy@gmail.com. Okay, thank you so much.